Welcome to the Outreach System. Today, we're diving into why hustle alone won't scale your UGC career. If you are trying to build a consistent income as a creator, you need to understand the difference between activity and architecture. Many creators start by manually grinding out DMs and emails, often feeling overwhelmed and constantly playing catch-up. Sending 10 DMs a day isn't strategy, it's hope, and hope doesn't scale. The core problem isn't your effort. It's the method you're using. When your outreach depends on your daily energy, your reach is severely limited, leading to unpredictable results and slow growth. The truth is, creators struggle due to a lack of infrastructure, not a lack of talent. Talent gets you started. Systems get you paid. The most successful creators recognize this early and make a massive shift in how they manage their client acquisition. Instead of manual hustle, they transition to automated pipelines using CRM or outreach software. The creators winning right now aren't working harder, they're building systems. So what exactly does this powerful outreach system do for your business? These systems automate the crucial, time-consuming tasks, sending pitches, tracking responses, and managing follow-ups. Automated systems send, track, follow up, and compound your efforts, allowing you to reach hundreds of brands efficiently. This is the core differentiator, relying on structure rather than your fluctuating motivation. Without a system, your income will always depend on your energy, creating stress. Systems ensure consistent output, regardless of how you feel on a given day. Talent gets you started, but infrastructure gets you paid consistently. To move from unpredictable gigs to a sustainable creator business, you must prioritize building this infrastructure. The system ensures momentum, turning scattered hope into undeniable business growth. If you want consistency instead of luck, subscribe now for more strategies on building a scalable UGC business.